Just tear your flesh like cotton candy. I love cotton candy. Those marshmallows. I love marshmallows. We're gonna be staying for dinner, especially you. We're gonna be great friends, aren't we? What is that? Is that? That's not candy. You'll be staying for dinner, right? Well, answer me. Do you not like me? Is that it? Oh, you don't like me? Is that it? You don't like me? I'm starving. I'm so hungry. Oh my God, so hungry.
What is going on with the floor? You want me to go first?
Poor drunk people. Literal, oh man, this is...
I'm so hungry!
That was pretty good.
Oh my gosh.